Okay, we want to put this video together. This is for a Chrysler Town and Country Touring 2008 model. This is the problem we're having. It's just when we turn the key, it's just giving that click. First, we'd like to give glory and thanks to Yahuwah for this van. Now it's that clicking noise. We're gonna first try to clean off the battery terminals, and then we're gonna work on seeing if it's the starter. Okay, just a quick shot of the terminals. Now that one cleaned up pretty good. Inside of there, this is just stuff caked on a bit, but I'm gonna clean it up right quick. Okay, for the first part, we have post cleaned up, and let's see what happened. You notice first the lights and stuff were okay, still got that click. I'm gonna see if we can put a charger, get it charged or jumped, and see if that will stop the clicking, because I was told clicking could be a weak battery, and just one click is probably the starter engaging but not turning over. So we're gonna hook it up to a jump and see what happens. Okay, we have the post cleaned up. I'm gonna jump start it, see what happens. There we go. So it's just a matter of the post needing having to clean the post. The click that the starter made, that we're saying is possibly a weak battery. That one turn the key click is more likely due to your starter, but right now we have power and we're gonna see how it works out. So just before just want to add, before you get into swapping out your starter and all this and that, try cleaning your post and see what happens first. Cheapest fix first. Thank you for watching.